Super easy sardines, keep it simple. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so some fresh sardines here. Not going to keep you long at all today, this is very simple. Now these sardines have had their heads taken off, the tail off, and have been cleaned inside, as you can see, like that. You can just do them whole if you want. What I want you to do first of all is get your oven on. We're going to cook these in the oven. Get your oven on really hot, maximum heat. So you're going to need a tray that can go into the oven. I'm using metal. You could use glass or ceramic, that's up to you. I've got some oil in there, just a little bit of oil rubbed it in there. I'm using olive oil. Let's get these in. A little bit of salt and black pepper. I like to pop in just 1 or 2 chilies. Completely optional, all of this is. A little bit more olive oil. A little bit of chopped garlic, like a teaspoon or something like that. And then some lemon juice. This is actually lime juice. I prefer lime juice in there. Just maybe 3 tablespoons, something like that. Now don't put these into a cold oven. You want the oven really hot, you know, maximum heat. Pop them in. They're going to take maybe 8 minutes. Job done. Super hot oven, about 8 minutes. Absolutely delicious. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.